So you cannot find the element commands that you're looking for, and your ribbon looks something like this or variation where there's not that much information. So so this is actually purposely so that depending on usually how advanced you are and how familiar you are with where items and commands are, you can maximize the amount of drawing space. But it can actually be found here. So if you click on this little arrow, these are the 3 different options. So here's minimize tabs, and there's like almost nothing. Minimize tabs and panels, and then there is a minimize. Okay, so this is the full amount, and for some reason it was not showing up with these options, but when you click on this little button, it will cycle through all of them, which also includes this full ribbon, which shows you all the icons. If you are in a smaller ribbon, you basically need to know like, oh, this is under build, and you click build, and then you can come back right in here and click wall, and then grab that wall. And then you also see there are some shortcuts as well. So WA, if you had it small like this and you typed in WA, it would open up the wall. But then again, everything is constrained to these sort of smaller icons, and so if we click on this a few times, whoopsie, you'll see that we get the full ribbon of information.